Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to play Roblox on your iPad using a mouse and keyboard. First, make sure your iPad is updated to the latest version of iPad OS. Then turn on your Bluetooth keyboard and mouse. Next, open Settings, tap Bluetooth, and connect both devices. Once they're paired, you're ready to move on. Now, launch Roblox and join any game. Many popular experiences automatically detect your keyboard and mouse, so you can start using them right away. Use the WAS and D keys to move your character, and use the mouse to look around, aim, and interact. Some games may also support additional keyboard shortcuts. If your controls aren't working, open the in-game settings and check if the experience support keyboard and mouse input. Keep in mind that not every Roblox game has a full keyboard and mouse compatibility. And that's it. You're now ready to enjoy Roblox on your iPad with more precise controls and PC-like experience. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.